Guess what time it is? That's right, same time it was 24 hours ago, which it's like 4 o'clock here, so. Box in a box. Look at that. Only thing that kind of sucks is their canvas, so I can't really skate them, but it's whatever. These are walking around shoes. And with the blood splatter, if you can see it up close, it's actually like painted on, so it's not printed into the shoe, I guess. I don't know, whatever. Kind of cool. So this is on the Vans website. It's various horror movies, their collection of clothing line, blah, 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 right? You get the point. And then this is the overview of the shoes I bought. So you can pause it and read it on your own time.